Hello, Talia. What's that you got in your face, little girl? Why is your face red? No, by the lips. Did you eat something red today?
Yeah.
What'd you eat?
Pink on me.
You have pink on you?
Yeah.
How did pink get on you?
Because I am not too many poopy.
What did you say? Okay. What are you eating right now?
Cheerios.
Yeah, what are you eating it with?
But crispy.
Are you tired?
No.
Do you want to take a nap?
No.
Are you adorable?
No.
Are you sure about that?
No.
Okay. Now here's what I want you to do. I just want to say, I love you. I want you to say, I love you to Bubby and Zadie. Well, what can you say to Bubby and Zadie? Okay. Goodbye. See you later.